Hello, today I'm making a soup. This is going to be sausage vegetable soup with chicken broth and some pasta. So you're going to need about 2 carrots sliced, whatever size you like. I like bite size. Some peas or mixed vegetable. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion. And I have 4 packs of low sodium chicken broth, unless you have real chicken broth on the side. This is vacuum packed corn. You can skip the corn and add whatever vegetables you like. Now with the sausage, I peel the membrane off. I don't like it. We don't need it. And you just slice it open and you peel it off. And then you take the sausage out of the casing and you roll it up into little balls and put it in a pot of boiling water, as you see here. This is about 8 cups of water, so I'm going to put the bouillon in there. Now if you have chicken stock in the freezer, that's wonderful. I like low sodium chicken broth. You're going to put the carrots in, the sausage in, and I like to roll them into little balls. So put your little sausage balls in the pot of boiling water with the chicken stock, the carrots. If you don't have only 1 carrot, that's fine. And you're going to boil this until the meatballs, the sausage balls, are done and the vegetables are tender. The garlic is going in. You can saute it, but I don't see the point. It's going to get the flavor in there anyway when you put it in the boiling water. The peas are going in last. These are frozen peas. And the corn is going in last. Let's just get the vegetables in, the onions, the carrots. And that's going to take at least 5 minutes to get al dente. Bring it back up to a boil. So after you add the vegetables and it comes back up to a boil, you can add 2 cups of pasta or a cake plate full. This is a wavy kind of pasta. Usually I like small shells or ditalini. And the pasta is going to take about 6 minutes. By then the carrots and the onions should be done. And when the pasta gets al dente, then you're going to add the frozen peas and a can of vacuum packed corn. There's no juice in that corn. No added salt. So you can add whatever vegetable you like. Mixed vegetables, if you have frozen mixed vegetables or spinach, doesn't matter. So I measured this little dish, and it's about 3/4 of a cup of frozen peas. It's going to be thick because the pasta is going to thicken this up. So the pasta is done, not overcooked, it is done. The sausage balls are done. The carrots are done. Now I'm going to add the almost 1 cup of frozen peas. And let me tell you, frozen peas, frozen vegetables are your best friend. When you pick them out from your garden, if you have one, you pick them at peak season and then freeze them. And the reason why I liked this particular vacuum packed corn is because it has white enamel in it. There's no tin taste. There's something about frozen corn that has lack of taste, and they taste like a sponge. I usually don't eat corn, but I'm just using what's up in the store cupboard. And this is Thai basil. I'm adding in a little handful of Thai basil. This is my Thai basil plant. It has an anisette licorice smell to it from regular basil. Basil and meatballs and basil and pork and chicken and sausage all go well. And then I'm going to add a handful of frozen spinach. You can add whatever vegetables you like. I started off with 4 sausage links without the casings, shaped into meatballs or sausage balls, put into some chicken stock, and mine is low sodium chicken stock. Now if you have any tomato paste, a couple tablespoons would be good in here, or half a cup of tomato sauce. I'm using this achiote. It is a Mexican seasoning powder, bouillon, to give it a red color, because I don't have any tomato paste or tomato sauce. And then I don't have to deal with the acidicness either. But that goes very well with sausage. I like spice, so you can have some red pepper flakes, or a teaspoon of chili crunch, or a teaspoon of Korean chili powder. That goes well with sausage. It does need a pinch of salt. I use Himalayan always.